Hi, this is Ray. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys my top favorite shortcuts that I use on every single project. An application like Pro Tools has so many shortcuts. If you want to get familiar with the shortcuts, you can go to Help and you can click on Pro Tools Shortcuts. Make sure you have Adobe or whatever application you use to open your PDFs. The shortcuts that I'm going to be showing you guys, I use on every single session. So let's get right to it. One of my favorite shortcuts is the capability of zooming in. And there are two ways I know how to do this. It's F5 and check it out. I'm able to zoom in to any individual part within the session. Now, if I wanted to zoom out, I would use the R key on the keyboard. If I wanted to zoom in, I could use the T key. If I want to go right here and I want to zoom in, I'm using the R and the T key. Now, it's very rare that I get my sessions this way. As you can see, all the tracks are small. You can make them big. Here's how you do that. You can hold down Alt. It's going to select everything. You can go right here, right click, and let's make it medium. So what just happened there? It only made that one individual track medium. Because here's what you have to do. Another shortcut, Shift and Alt, and then try it again. Now all tracks are medium. Let's say we wanted to make this specific track bigger. Hold down Start, use the up and down arrows on your keyboard. Check it out. Now I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to select track 6 to 32 and let's make those tracks small. You can see that a lot better. Let me show you one of the things I like to do. I zoomed in. If we take a look right here, there's really nothing here. We can get rid of that. So we can just highlight that and we can press the delete key on your keyboard. It's going to get rid of that. Another thing you can do, let's zoom in. All right. I'm going to use the R key to zoom out. I'm going to hold down Shift. As you can see, I selected that section that I wanted. And I'm going to hold down Control T. And it's going to get rid of everything that I don't need. Now what I want to do, I want to move this up. Yes, you can grab your mouse, move it up. That works as well. But if you don't want to accidentally slip the track or do anything like that, here's what you can do. You can hold the Start button on your keyboard and you can just drag it up. Now here's the thing. While you're holding the Start button, you're not able to move the track left or right. You can only move it up and down. So we're almost done here, guys. Now the next shortcut kind of connects to the last video. The last video, I showed you how you can move tracks up and down while holding down the Start button. I'm going to show you another way you can do this. We can use the C key to copy, the X to cut it. We could use the semicolon to go down a track, and then we can use the V to paste it. So let's do that again. Use the C key, X, semicolon, paste. And there you go.